Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a good advertisement that you think is useful. You should say where you can see it, what it shows, why you think it is useful, and explain how you feel about it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are going to speak. So when you get a question like this, it is a common tendency among students that they just start speaking about any kind of advertisement that they have seen and then they get stuck in between and then they say that they are not able to elaborate or they speak like maybe 30 seconds or only 40 seconds because they are short of ideas. So it is very important that the 1 minute that you are getting to plan the answer, make sure you utilize that well. Talk about an advertisement that you have seen multiple times, and also if you are able to answer all of these 4 questions based on that advertisement. If not, then choose another advertisement. You have 1 minute, which is more than sufficient to make all your ideas for the question. Alright, so now before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So this is pretty much a very straightforward question. You can talk about any kind of advertisement, maybe related to some kind of sportswear or maybe something related to health drink or maybe about some kind of customer awareness. So anything that you can actually describe well and you can elaborate upon it. Okay? So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Advertisements are an important mode of promoting a product or service in this digital era and assist in catching the attention of public to a great extent. And today, I would like to talk about an advert pertaining to dried fruits and nuts, which I feel is quite meaningful. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So advert is another synonym for advertisement. So we did not repeat the same word in the same sentence again and again. Pertaining means related to, and meaningful means something that is useful or beneficial. So we avoided repeating the word that was already in the question. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, the commercial can be seen pretty much across all advertising platforms, both online on YouTube, Instagram, as well as offline on television, newspapers, and billboards. So, commercial is another way of saying advertisement. It's a synonym for the word advertisement. So, you can actually add all of these synonyms to your synonym list, and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation and in turn avoid repetition of the same word, be it in speaking or even in your writing. It is quite helpful actually. Alright, so let's continue. The advertisement is about a brand named Farmly which specializes in the manufacture of a wide variety of dried fruits and nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, as well as dried berries. It depicts clearly that the company sources its products from farmers and delivers it directly to its customers, avoiding any kind of mishandling and tampering of its products. So, depicts means to show or to demonstrate. So, we used a better vocabulary word. Company sources its products means it gets its product. So, again, we used a better vocabulary word, and all these will enhance our scores for a lexical resources part later on. So, tampering means to change or to alter. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, the legendary cricketer Rahul Dravid is seen conveying the important message of refraining from adulterated products as well as staying healthy and indulging in the right kind of products that enhance our overall fitness and well being, making the commercial even more purposeful. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the third question, which is why you think it is useful. Legendary means very popular, convey means to communicate, refrain means to avoid, and adulterated means mixed with some other kind of stuff. Like, for example, like in turmeric powder, it is a common tendency for shopkeepers to also mix some kind of yellow powder, which is actually not turmeric, but it is something else. So that's kind of adulteration. And purposeful again is a synonym for saying useful. Alright, so the last question, which is explain how you feel about it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that this ad flawlessly emphasizes on the importance of health and robustness in our lives and how nuts contribute by providing essential nutrients that are indeed beneficial for our health and improve the quality of our lives. So flawless means perfectly without making any mistake. Emphasize means to focus on something. Robustness again means to be healthy and fit. Essential means vital or important. Beneficial, something that is good. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.